In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your PowerPoint slides to a specific size, specifically the traditional 8.5 by 11 inches format. This dimension is often used for printouts like PDFs or documents, and adapting your PowerPoint slides to this format can make your life a lot easier, especially if you're planning to print your presentation or convert it into a document later on. Let's start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint, which is likely the first step you'll take when you're getting ready to work on a presentation. Once you've launched PowerPoint, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. Here, you'll want to open your existing presentation file if you're working on something you've already started. Simply click on the file you wish to open from the recent files list, or navigate through your folders to find where your presentation is saved. If you're starting a brand new project, just go ahead and open a blank presentation. Now that you have your PowerPoint file open, the next step is to navigate to the Design tab located at the top of your PowerPoint toolbar. This is where you can customize a wide array of design elements for your presentation. Within the Design tab, you're going to find many options, but for our purpose today, we're interested in adjusting the slide size. Look for the Slide Size button within the Design tab. It's usually grouped together with other settings related to the orientation and customization of your slides. Upon finding the Slide Size button, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu offers some pre-defined slide sizes, but since we're looking to customize our slides to a non-standard size, you will need to select the option labeled Custom Slide Size. Clicking on Custom Slide Size will open a new window where you can specify the dimensions for your slides. This is where the magic happens. In the width field, type in 8.5, and in the height field, type in 11. These measurements are in inches, which is the standard size for sheets of paper used in the US for documents and prints. By setting your PowerPoint slides to this size, you're essentially tailoring your presentation to fit perfectly on standard paper, making it ideal for handouts or printed documents. After entering the dimensions 8.5 by 11 inches for width and height respectively, it's time to finalize your choice. Look for the OK button within the Custom Slide Size dialog box and click on it. Clicking OK will prompt PowerPoint to adjust your slides according to the dimensions you have just set. This might result in PowerPoint asking you how you'd like to scale your content, especially if you're adjusting an existing presentation. The options typically include maximizing your content size to fill the new dimensions, or ensuring that everything fits within the newly set size without changing the scale of your content. Choose the option that best fits your needs based on whether maintaining the original aspect ratio of your content is crucial or not. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your PowerPoint slides to the 8.5 by 11 inches format. This adjustment can be incredibly helpful for various scenarios, particularly if you're looking to print your slides. It ensures that your content fits well on standard letter size paper without unexpected cropping or scaling issues. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Remember to check your printer settings when printing your slides to ensure they match the custom size you've set in PowerPoint. This simple step can prevent a lot of headaches with misaligned printouts or content getting cut off at the edges. So, whether you're preparing handouts for a meeting, creating a printed portfolio of your work, or just need your presentation in a document-friendly format, you now know how to adjust your PowerPoint slide size to 8.5 by 11 inches. Experiment with these adjustments to see how you can improve your presentations or printed materials' visual appeal and professionalism. Keep exploring and tweaking. The more you play around with PowerPoint's features, the more you'll discover how flexible and powerful a tool it can be for your projects and presentations. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Happy presenting, and see you in the next video.